Hello. So we are going to see here how to install LS-TaSC. The latest version of LS-TaSC is here, and if you have already installed LS-Dyna and the other PBS schedulers, so it will be easier to use it on your HPC system. So first of all, we have to untar this one. Now we got the file over here. So let's see what's inside it. Here is the configuration toolbar, expector lib, and some of the manuals over here. So if you go through this manual, like see here, Q manual, I already opened this manuals. So here is a user manual. You can see here what is going on. If you want to just run directly the LS Dyna files, LS Opti files, so how to do it is given in this manual. So we'll directly jump onto the examples. First of all, you need to export this library because it has the required libraries, which is essential whenever you run the GUI. We'll see directly the GUI. So these are the libraries which are required, and this is the most required library over here, libexpect. So if you don't export, it will not run your GUI. So for the GUI, I mean to say here, LSTaSC 41 underscore GUI. This is the GUI version of LSTaSC. And these are the wrapper and run queuer. These are all required whenever you run your queries. So first of all, we'll export this library function. So export LD library. I'll write pwd. That's very simple. And we are done. So after that, we can directly run through this GUI. So you can see this is very nice interface. So to select the problems and model, you can go from this launchpad, or if you have directly the file of LSTaSC, you can go through the file also. So you will have to extract the example files as well. So let's go to the example files over here. I'll open another tab. Here I'll extract this examples. And see here, our manual examples files is ready. In this we have some examples only. Beam extractor class eigenmod. So we'll go to beam. In this you will get the LS-TaSC file here. And if you are running through any submission queue system. So we are using here PBS. So here in the PBS file, you have to just set it through this file, and you need to modify your current environment over here. I have already set it for my environment. So I'll bring it over here and show you. If you want to go from task file, you have to click over task, and then you will have a look in the case part surface. So just go to case, and here you have to just create a new file, and you have to give the weight q. So I'll show you the simplest form how to do it. Just close this one, and you can see over here a file. So just go inside that, open. We have to test the beam. So I'm going to the beam folder, and here you can see LS-TaSC. This is a single file. We just need to click open, and the file in case will be there. So you can see here task cases beam LS-TaSC path. It's already created. Just click on the beam again. Here you can see constraint dynamic weighting. So to change the QR, because we are using PBS, we need to go inside this case. So scheduling, in scheduling, if you go here, you have to change PBS Pro. So if you want to see what else the queue systems over there, you have to click, and you'll get LSF, load leveler, PBS, NQS, AQS, LUM. These are all the queuing systems. So I have already selected PBS Pro over here. And the execution command should be your PBS file, a script file. So I have already edited it under test underscore PBS. So I'll go for the normal execution. But remember, this will be your PBS submission, not a normal one. So you can change parts also. I'm not changing inside anything. To run this, just click on run. And if your environment is okay, you can just try running the module. I'm just giving run. See, it started running, and you'll see here the iteration also. So how many iterations it's working. you can also install LS-TaSC in your system. So thanks for viewing. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks.